Yeah. Try a thing outside again, gentle people. Look here so. Nice tree hive. God no peeps. I first tree me ever see. Hard for cut so. Yeah. I tell you say tree. You wicked to me man. Alright you me no know if you cut tree. Eh? Master. But anyway still. The tree they are ground. And they start cut it down. And mash it and axe. You know? You say, you don't never believe this is one of the peeps. You say, the tree reach a ground anyway. You see me? Yeah. But, I know you start cut it down peeps. You understand? I know you start cut it down at all. You start cut it part way. You understand? I tell you, yo, right now, I'm going to look, I can look on the tree they are growing and the bees them a fly around peeps. Please do remember to like, share, subscribe. Understand? I mean I tell you say peeps, I still can't get to the bees them because it's all fail me. Watch out. I hive them I look fine. You know? There's some dark bees there so you know peeps. Look on them. Some orange pollen and them thing they are coming. Yeah? But none no try bite me yet still no peeps. The power saw fail me man. Power saw gone to the dog man. I forget one different power saw. Power saw fail me. I don't know what I go on maybe. It will start tomorrow or what, but it not start you know. Maybe I run it too much. Nah start you know. And I come fully equipped in a piece. I can't box and I think them you know.
Yeah.
Understand?
Right
yeah.
now, boss, I drink a cold beer, you know.
Better drink a banana juice. Understand? A bush with it. John no piece. Now we'll get to them today, you know, so I'm gonna have to get a further video down the line, you know. I get a next I know. I don't know how I stay already. And then plus me have one official removal to do. Maybe Saturday. I'm not sure yet, but it's upon the cards. You understand? You understand? Yes, yes. Try a thing back in it. I get one little tree hive. I don't know how they stay yet, but they look good. Population rate look high. That.
I want honey, man.
The Rasta say him want honey.
Done.
Say him want honey. I don't know why I'm talking about, boy. I don't know what they think about people. Anytime they see you, I catch some bees or I cut out some bees out of somewhere, the first thing come to their mind, honey did it.
Yeah, that time money, you know, your honey.
Money for true, yes, but
So
first.
we hear that there. That we eat honey. Because I just pay we get in our pocket like a money. So we look forward to honey, you know. Yeah. But you know, you go sometime, you go work and you get no pay. No honey. Pierce up your mouth, you know.
Yeah, just like that, and we have to go get our next power saw, peeps. So now we'll get a further video down the road, is it? So one would be a sneak preview, so please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chayating TV. Hit the notification bell so you would be notified every time Chayating upload a hot video like that one here, maybe even hotter. Bees them a run me down one at a time, you know? Yeah, look out for them.